Hey y'all, I'm Krista from Houston, Texas, and today we're going to be installing a hitch on the Toyota Corolla. So let's go ahead and get right into this easy hitch, guys, okay?
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
All right, guys, so as you can see right out of the box, this is going to be our Toyota Corolla hitch. It is a round tube design. It does come standard with these lovely spaces for your chains. It also comes with these pre-existing holes. And these 4 holes are going to bolt into the pre-existing weld nuts on our frame. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, we're under the car now. We're at the driver's side frame rail. So this is where we're going to be installing our bolts into the pre-existing weld nuts. They're going to be right here, 1 and 2. All right, and now we're on the opposite side of the vehicle, which is going to be the passenger side. And right here, located right above the muffler, the tailpipe right here, are going to be our other 2 existing weld nuts, number 1 and number 2. Okay guys, so now it's time for us to get our hitch into place. We are going to be using the U-Haul jack stand. If you do not have one of these, you're going to need an extra set of hands, as this can get quite heavy, okay? So let's go ahead and get it into place real quick. And then we're going to use this to lower it. Okay guys, so now that we have the hitch in place, we are going to go ahead and install our provided hardware. We have our bolt here and our conical tooth washer. All right, so there's going to be like this. You're going to make sure your teeth are towards the frame, okay? Okay, now we're just going to hand tighten these down, and we're going to go over to the passenger side and repeat the exact same process. I was running into a little bit of a trouble trying to get this last bolt in here in the rear space. So it looks like it's trying to go in at an angle, but don't worry guys, we have a solution for you. It could have been the hitch was bent, or maybe the car was in a fender bender, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take our pry bar as well as our drill, and we're going to insert the pointed end of our pry bar into the hitch and into the weld nut, and we're just gonna push a little bit to the left-hand side, and then we're going to tighten it down. And what this is going to do is, once we tighten this bolt down, it's going to ensure that the hitch is going to go to the proper size so we can get the bolt in correctly. All right, guys. So let's give this a try now. And there you have it. Goes right in. And we're going to hand tighten these down just like we did the driver's side. All right guys, so now that we have everything in place, we're going to be torquing them down to our manufacturer specifications. We're going to be using the 19mm socket with a 5-inch extension, okay? All right, now onto the driver's side. We're going to repeat the exact same process over here. Okay guys, now that we have our hitch fully installed and torqued down, we're going to get it down to level ground and get you some important measurements. From the ground to the top of the receiver hitch is going to be 11 inches. This is important because it's going to determine what type of rise or drop you're going to need. And if you want to take a look right here, from the hole to right here at the bumper edge is going to be 3.5 inches, and this is going to help you determine what measurements you're going to need for anything with a vertical accessory. Hey guys, well that concludes our video today. Thank you for watching. Be safe, have fun, enjoy the outdoors, and we look forward to doing the next video with you guys.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.